My name is Victoria. I'm also known as Via, and today I wanted to talk about clarity and consciousness. Consciousness is coming from taking care of your gut, to take care of your mind, to take care of your life. Because your mind is the most powerful force you have to create the life that you're living, to create the life that you want to live. If you're not sure how to live it, if you feed yourself the right information, the right food, the right fuel, the energy around you will give you an abundance, will give you the life that you are looking for. That is consciousness and that is clarity. To heal yourself, to heal the earth as one. That's consciousness, that's clarity. Namaste, my friends. Love and light from Byron Bay, Australia. For me, consciousness began when I stopped taking hormonal birth control. I was told into taking it, and then my boyfriend, after 5 years of me taking it, questioned, why am I taking fake hormones? So I stopped taking hormone pills, and my whole body freaked out because hormonal birth control is destroying, most pharmaceutical products are destroying the gut microbiome, which is also destroying the brain. In those two interactions, and hormonal birth control is also deteriorating the hormone production in your own body. So my gut was destroyed, my hormones were destroyed, hence I needed something. I didn't know what to do. The energy you give yourself, the food, the water, the things you read, the things you hear, the conversations you're having, that is the energy you're putting into yourself. And that energy you put into yourself is reflected back to you by the energy around you. Introducing organics, and I got more into organic living, organic products, and I realized how important that is for cleansing, for clarity, for consciousness, because organics are using and growing food, clothes, etc. with the earth in mind, without pollution, without chemicals, without toxins that are terrible for the environment and terrible for our own bodies. So I invested in spending my whole life with organic living, growing my own food as much as possible, attending farmers market to get local food, as local food has the soil from where you are living, and the soil has microbiome of its own. So it has little microbes in the soil, and when you're eating vegetables and fruits that are grown from your own soil in your own area, it's feeding your own gut microbiome with new microbes from where you're from. And they communicate with each other, and they communicate to your mind. So when you're eating food that has been shipped all over the world, that's come from terrible environments, you're then getting that energy into yourself, and you're allowing your gut to tell your mind these negative thoughts, negative feelings, negative experiences from the microbes in the soil that the food was grown in to your own microbe. So really investing in organic foods, local foods, reducing your meals if you are having digestive issues or any kind of chronic health issues. Start organic juicing, or start juicing, start making smoothies and soups more often, because that gives your body a little bit more leeway to digest and heal other parts of your body instead of focusing all its energy on digestion. What is clarity and what is consciousness? Clarity is when your mind is calm and clear, it's positive, it's creating the life that you want. Your body is working well, your mind is working well, you're happy, you're healthy. That's clarity. Consciousness. Consciousness is realizing that you are one with your whole world around you, with the earth, with the people, with your energy. And once you start cleansing, you gain consciousness and clarity into your life. Gaining insight to the energy you feed yourself through food, through what you read, what you watch, what you listen to, who you talk to, what you talk about, is creating the energy you are receiving back, creating your own life. That is clarity, and that is consciousness. Realizing your oneness with the world around you, making actions, taking care of the earth, and taking care of yourself as one. That's consciousness, that's clarity. Cleansing comes from organic living and positive thoughts, positive life. Namaste.